We're outside doing some landscaping and Moxie is pissed. You can't come out here right now. I'm sorry, Moxie.
This family makes me want to murder people.
You guys.
Ti queda adentro. Vamos para. Te queda adentro. Vamos para.
No, right here, right here. Come here.
Pet him, see if he gets it.
Charlie.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I...
Okay, here's my crazy rescue dog. She doesn't know how to play with toys at home or anything at any doggy friend's house. But when we go to the beach and she finds a coconut,
Hotch, you're gonna get me arrested.
The ball.